Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Going to go check out the car that I got a little info on. I went to my homeboy car show and I met somebody at the car show. It was my homeboy Q car show. Y'all go check him out. You know what I'm saying? But it's a 71 don't. 71 Impala for everybody else who really don't keep up with the culture or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go check that out. Finna see if I can get it for the low so I can sell it for the high. 8 kids, I gotta make some shape, baby. Oh yeah, speaking of, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and like and subscribe on this thing real quick so I can keep coming to y'all, giving y'all hits, quick flips. You know, I get them in and I get them gone, you know. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Can't fall in love with them. Only thing I'm falling in love with is Big Red right here. And I'm trying to get another Big Red, so if I get another Big Red, you know what I'm saying, then I might give away this Big Red. But that come with it. I thank God for everything. Thank God for Big Red. She been pulling these cars left and right, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, goddamn, what they got the police out there? I'm outside there. I tell you, boy, Houston's something serious, boy. I step outside, I'm in all black. Now they got helicopters, ghetto birds flying over my head. But back to it, you know what I'm saying. Speaking of, stay tuned because I got a Camaro I got coming out too. I'm gonna probably do a raffle for it, but that'll be probably when I get to at least 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying. This is a new page. I just started it not too long ago, but here you go. Check out this 71 don't. Get with me, like and subscribe. You don't mind if I record, dude?
No, dude, go for it.
Headlight, signal light. Just right here. I mean, it sounds pretty solid, but I don't know.
Dude, I get it.
And you said you got a lot of parts for it?
Yeah, we got not a ton, but I know in the trunk I'll have to bring it to you next time I come out here to the car. I know for a fact, just off the top of my head, I know for a fact to get this piece.
Okay.
Because if it even came with two of them, I think some because that was about our car going up with installing we ended up having to replace the ignition because we bought it from it because it had been stolen.
Yeah, that's how some my El Camino was. I had that.
What your El Camino?
It was an 81.
Oh hell yeah! I had a 71 and 74. Love them.
Yeah, he had to switch it now, but he had to push the start up. And I was like, I don't know why he had it, but I just left it like that and sold it like that. The dude that I sold it to, he thought it was pretty cool, but I was like, yeah.
To me, this shit just it can be done well, but it never is. It's always whenever people do it, 90% of the time.
It kind of did it, but it was kind of like flush in the dashboard or whatever. So you just press it, but it wasn't shit if you ain't had a key up in it.
Nah.
And you know how many owners on it?
That I couldn't tell you. I may be able to look it up on a vehicle history report. I never have. That's actually a good question. I never really thought about that. My guess, it's probably had 4 or 5 owners.
Okay. I'm looking at the paint right now, and to be honest with you, it looked like it only had two coats of paint. I mean, like 2 layers of paint. Cause I see on the inside it was originally white.
Yeah, so we bought the car with it blacked out. In fact, the bumper and chrome and everything were blacked out at one point. We had to take acetone and we pulled off the paint off of all the chrome.
Dang.
They had just fucking round. And we went over. But
Yeah.